How to make Ctrl+P behave exactly like up arrow in ZSH. First of all, I am using ZSH and Oh My ZSH with nearly no other customization. In ZSH, when I press up arrow, it brings me the latest commands. And if I typed some characters before I press up arrow, it will bring me the latest commands starting with those characters. It is quite an useful feature since I issue a lot of git/vim/scp commands alternatively. But now I am switching to a keyboard without arrow keys, and I tend to use Ctrl+P instead of up arrow for history completion. However, no matter how many characters I typed before press Ctrl+P, it will always bring me the latest command, not the latest starting with those characters. How should I configure the ZSH, or Oh My ZSH, to fix this?
This uses Emacs key bindings and seems to work for me.
H